Look at how much of a slowpoke my sister is. By the way, my camera is zoomed all the way in right now, so she's really far away. I'm all the way up here. She's getting closer. Come on, Lexus.
Yeah? Hi.
Okay, finally, here she is.
I'm a nature girl. That's why I'm walking in the nature.
This is the city, Lexus. This isn't
And it's
in
hot
nature.
out. And it's nature is everything. Everything, like everyone like just steps on a worm. I know worms are kind of gross, but still, how would you like it if you were a worm? Or an ant? Like, so think about it.
Do you like Justin Bieber?
So see, everyone have a look at the nature.
Do you like Justin Bieber?
Yeah. Everyone look at the nature. Show the camera nature.
It's in nature, like the cars and the basketball nets.
No, that's not
the
nature.
houses.
Nature is like trees and grass and...
And what about this car and that car? That's all
No.
nature.
Jordan, you silly person. Trees are nature. Grass is nature.
Yeah, because there's a tree right there, huh?
Yeah, trees everywhere.
Okay, trees everywhere.
Nature. And grass is nature. Anyone here name like anything that's part of nature? Sky is part of nature. Sun is part of nature. Everything in the world is part of nature except things that people make.
Except?
Yeah.
Except?
Yeah.
Oh, here's another car of nature.
No, cars aren't nature.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.